If you're looking to boost customer retention with an easy-to-use CRM, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into how to use Folk CRM for customer retention, and by the end, you'll have all the tools to leverage this powerful software effectively. Folk CRM is designed for teams and businesses that want to focus on building strong customer relationships without overcomplicating things. If you've been searching for a CRM that simplifies contact management and increases engagement, you're in for a treat. I'll walk you through how you can use Folk CRM to keep your customers happy and loyal. One of the first things you'll notice when you start using Folk CRM is its simplicity. It's built for those who don't want to waste time learning complex systems but still want powerful features. From the moment you sign up, you can organize your contacts, track customer interactions, and segment your customer base to ensure you're reaching the right people at the right time. It's all about streamlining your processes so you can focus on what matters most: your relationships. What sets Folk CRM apart is its flexibility. You can manage and track every step of your customer journey, whether they're a first-time visitor or a loyal repeat customer. This is crucial for customer retention, as it allows you to personalize communication and tailor your interactions based on where customers are in their journey. Whether you're sending follow-up emails or offering personalized discounts, Folk CRM makes it easy to automate those processes, freeing up your time to focus on other important areas of your business. Another feature that stands out is the ability to integrate Folk CRM with other tools. Whether it's your email platform, your calendar, or other third-party applications, Folk seamlessly integrates with everything you already use. This helps you maintain all of your customer data in one place and allows you to engage with your customers more effectively. But the real power of Folk CRM comes in the form of its rich customer profiles. You get a 360-degree view of every individual with details such as previous interactions, interests, and preferences, all in one easy-to-read space. This enables you to send hyper-targeted messages and anticipate customer needs. And with the automation capabilities, you can nurture your customers without having to be involved in every step of the process. For example, let's say you want to run a loyalty campaign to retain your best customers. You can create customer segments in Folk CRM based on their behavior, preferences, and purchase history. Then, automate personalized emails to go out, keeping them engaged and reminding them of the value they get from your business. This level of personalization is key to keeping customers around for the long term. One thing that will really make a difference in your retention strategy is Folk CRM's task management features. You can set reminders to follow up with customers at specific times, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to connect. And with the ability to assign tasks to team members, you can ensure that your team is on the same page when it comes to customer care. If you're wondering if Folk CRM is right for you, here's the best part: you can try it for free. That's right, you can get started today with an exclusive free trial that includes bonuses to maximize your experience. Just check the first link in the description to get started and dive into the full suite of tools Folk CRM has to offer. To sum it up, Folk CRM is an incredibly powerful yet simple tool that helps businesses like yours build long-lasting relationships with your customers. By organizing contacts, automating communication, and personalizing customer interactions, you can dramatically improve your customer retention efforts. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial we've linked below. Take advantage of that and get started with Folk CRM today. That's it for this quick Folk CRM explanation. If you've been searching for a CRM that can improve customer retention with ease, this might be the perfect solution for you. Remember, you can start using Folk CRM for free by clicking the link below. Happy customer retaining.